On March the 31st, Mr. Robson took us out for a walk to a beach. He said we had to practice for the sandcastle competition, so we did. After our time was gone, we had to explain how was it special. Kasio said it was a traditional dance house that when a popular dance crew came to town, they practiced in there, and the showcase was held in there. Then after that, Mr. Robson said we got free time. So the waves came out at that time. Some people were looking for pippies, and some people even found some crabs. And then so we were swimming. Me and Cassie were bulging into the waves, going under and swimming under the waves. Then we had to pack up because the sun was coming out, and we walked back to the campsite, and then some people got changed in there. Then that was the end of our story. Go, ready? Thank you. Play it.